2023 Nissan Z. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Nissan Z comes in two flavors, Sport, and Performance. The base Sport model with 18-inch wheels, and the Performance trim with 19-inch rims. Nissan offers 9 exterior color options at launch. Buyers can select from 6 two-tone paints, each with a contrasting black roof, Brilliant Silver, Boulder Gray, Siren Blue, Ikazuchi Yellow, Passion Red, and Everest White. Nissan offers 3 single-tone paint options, Black Diamond, Gun Metallic, and Rosewood Metallic. The cabin blends modern technology and comfort with classic cues. The bucket seats mimic those found in the GTR supercar, with standard black cloth or leather available on the Performance trim. The center stack features a dash-mounted cluster of analog gauges inspired by the 240Z, with readouts for turbocharger boost, turbocharger turbine speed, and a voltmeter. And front and center sits a standard 8.0-inch touchscreen display, while a larger 9.0-inch touchscreen with navigation and Wi-Fi is available on the Performance trim. The Protospec features a few unique elements on the exterior to tie it visually to the concept, like yellow-colored brake calipers and bronze 19-inch race wheels, while the cabin dons a Protospec leather with yellow accents and suede inserts. For the Performance, a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 powers the new Z, and is good for a mighty 400 horsepower and 475 Nm of torque, sent exclusively to the rear wheels. A 6-speed manual is the standard transmission, and it pairs with a high-performance clutch, baked-in rev matching, and even a launch control system on the Performance model. Launch control and rev matching also carry over to the optional 9-speed automatic transmission, as does a limited slip differential. The Performance model also gets aluminum paddle shifters inspired by the GTR. The base 18-inch wheel wears Yokohama Advanced Sport tires, measuring in at 248/45 all around, while the 19-inch wheel on the Performance model features Bridgestone Potenza S007 tires, at 255/40 front, and 275/35 rear. The increase in grip improves cornering G by up to 13%. Along with all that performance, Nissan added some necessary safety equipment to the mix. The Z offers standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, a blind spot warning, a lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert. Nissan has not announced things like pricing or availability. The new sports car will go on sale sometime early in 2022, and Nissan is limiting the Z Protospec to just 240 examples, and it is available exclusively as an option on the Performance trim. think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.